Hello everyone. Today in this video I will show you how to install Node.js in your local PC or laptop. If you face any issue in installation you can simply comment. I will try my best to help you. So without any delay let's start our video. Now for downloading Node.js go to your browser and search Node.js download. And it show you different links. Go to first link, it will redirect to the official website of Node.js. Here's Node.js is also available for download on other operating systems such as Mac OS and Linux. Now click on source code option to download Node.js. Here different versions on Node.js is available for download but we will download latest version of Node.js. Then click on this button downloading will start. And you can see here downloading start. So let's wait for it to get finished. Now you can see Node.js is downloaded over here. So just open it to install in your local laptop or computer. Now you can see setup for Node.js is open here. Click on next button. So this is our license agreement, you can read and must accept this agreement and then click on next. This is where your Node.js is going to be installed. You can also change the location or can install it at default location. After selecting location just click on next button. Here is a custom setup so click on next. Accept this automatic install button and then click on next. Now it's ready to install, click on install button. Installation is going to be start. Let wait for some time for a couple of minutes. Once we done installation Node.js is ready to launch. You can see it is installed and it is ready to launch. Click on finish button. Node.js is installed in our system. For check whether Node.js is installed correctly or not open CMD and write Node v. It will show you version of Node.js which is installed in your local PC or laptop. You can also check version of npm which is automatically installed with Node.js. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching this video. If this video is helpful for you, please subscribe my channel and share with others.